Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video, I will be sharing with you how to install window films on glass doors in Windows. I hope you guys will like today's video. Please give it a thumbs up if you do and consider subscribing before you go. So I'll be using this privacy window film that I got online. Its size is 60 by 200 cm, which is enough for this glass door. Once you have the measurements, simply cut the window film according to size. Then next, clean the glass with water and cloth. Make sure there's no visible dust to avoid hard bubbles later when installing. Once clean, spray the glass with lots of water. It is much better to spray your glass with a good amount of water so that you can remove the bubbles easily. Next, remove the protective plastic of the window film. Stick the window film to the glass and remove bubbles using any flat item you have at home. I used a membership ID card for this installation since it's handy and does the job well. Then gradually peel off the protective plastic as you go. Now this is the before and after. And this is the final look of the glass door once all window films are installed. And we're done with installing a window film at home. I hope this video was able to guide you through the step-by-step process. Please let me know if you have any home installation that you want me to cover. Again, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.